Another game! Yes. Yep. This is a new game. It's called... I'm pretty sure you know what it is now. I am Ruthless! There. Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. The thumbnail is pretty epic though. Let's unbox this baby. Dang it, I moved my camera. Aha, there it is. Just a card. And this. There's a lot of characters in here too. There's even Pac-Man here. Yes. This is the most lame unboxing I've ever done. Putting this thing in. New game. I still haven't. I found the method of how to actually record on screen recorder on Nintendo Switch, but I need a device. I know Nintendo Switch itself can already record, but it only records 30 seconds. Let's just download this software and wait. Meanwhile, I'll give you a little tour of my house. So, hold up, let me just load into this. Okay, wait. Okay, since 1873, what? Alright, we're going in. By the way, they have new updates though. It's pretty cool. They say horses no longer disappear after you dismount them. Oh wow, they actually fixed that now. Oops, sorry. Let's just give you a little tour of my house. Oh wow, it's nighttime already. Maybe I should do this in the morning. Yep, I'm doing this in the morning. Wait. It is in the morning. Bruh. Alright, this is my house. It looks pretty regular, but when you go down here, I can't go down. There it is. When you go down here, there's a lot of things. There's a farm. Speed run. Oh, by the way, we found... Oh, look. There's a lot of stuff in here. There's a composer here too. A lot of composers. Wait, hold up. How does this work? How does both of these work? I mean, these are ladders. Shouldn't they slide down? You know what, never mind. I'd rather they keep this update. Go, 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 go. I'm speedrunning. There's a trash bin. It's just a bucket of lava. And there's an ender chest. Inside it's full of bottle enchanting and lapis. And there's the enchantment table and a lot of books in here. By the way, if you're wondering what this is just white wool because we kind of have to develop this place and something went wrong, so we just... Anyway, this is the brewing stand and I think that's about it, man. That was really short. Remember this glitch? We cannot. I still cannot believe that this spent us at least 2 hours of making it. There's a lot of things here. And we build a nether portal so we can go in the nether. Peace. What? How did I miss him? I'm so bad at this. Bro, how is it not reaching him? Bruh, I'm so bad at this. Man, why do they sound like this? Anyway, where's my nether portal anyway? Aha, there it is. Yo, that was like the fastest transformation I've ever done. Oh, and by the way, if you're wondering why is there no plates here, well, hold on a second. There. Now we have a good pathway in our side. Alright, we're playing Super Smash Bros. Time. Woo-hoo! Alright. Ooh, there's a logo down there. Yo, that's epic. Hey, what's this? I don't even know what's that. Is that a Pokemon? No. Yo, this is so epic. Final destination? Peach. No. Mushroom Kingdom? Dude, that's a Super Sun. Come on, Alan. No. No, 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 no. Where's Minecraft? I'm just going to choose Mario. Is this it? To be honest, I thought there would be more. Whatever, I'm Kirby. Hey, what's this?
3, 2, 1.
How am I supposed to fight? I don't even know how these things work. Dude, I'm so confused what's going on right now. I'm so confused what is going on right now. Is this what I do? Yo, I just keep spamming and I don't even know what the tricks are. Oh, how dare you. I can't find myself. Oh man, this is starting to get really confusing. Right. How dare you? Time to... Oh lord, this is so much fun. What just happened? Oh man, why is this so hard? Oh man, that is real epic. Oh man, I don't understand how all this works. Oh come on. Whatever, at least I did a good match. Alright, thank you guys for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace!